Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the push-to-start switch on an electric dryer. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or it's been damaged. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today, we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver and a Flathead screwdriver. While you're getting those together, remember to keep safety first. Always unplug that power cord before you do any work on your appliances. The push-to-start switch is located in the console and can be accessed by removing the two Phillips head screws that are at the back of the console. Push the console forward and flip it upward. Then find the push-to-start switch, remove the knob and the 3 wires. Lift the locking tab using a flat blade screwdriver and twist the switch so that it can be removed. Now you can install the new switch and twist it so that it locks in place. Then reattach the wires and install the knob. Once you close the console using the Phillips head screws, you're done. And don't forget to plug your dryer back in. You made it. Great job. And thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a replacement push-to-start switch yet, grab your model number, head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. While you're at it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos, and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.